Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. There's a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses north central Tennessee, the central and eastern Kentucky, far south central Ohio, most of West Virginia, pretty much all of Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, all of Delaware, extreme northeastern and southeastern Pennsylvania, including my area. Far northeastern and southeastern Pennsylvania, which includes my area. All of New Jersey, eastern New York State, as well as southeastern New York State, including New York City and Long Island. All of Connecticut, all of Rhode Island, all of Massachusetts, all of Vermont, all of New Hampshire, and southwestern Maine. Cities in tomorrow's slate include New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Boston, Massachusetts, and Washington, D.C. And there are two marginals for tomorrow. One covering north central Texas, most of Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, southern Missouri, northern half of Arkansas, southeastern Louisiana, most of Mississippi, all of Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, northern Florida, all of Georgia, all of South Carolina, all of North Carolina, far southern edge of Virginia, most of Tennessee, south central Illinois, parts of Kentucky, far south central Indiana, southern Ohio, northern West Virginia, far northwestern Maryland, much of Pennsylvania, and central New York. The second marginal tomorrow covers parts of Maine. Cities in tomorrow's marginals include Jacksonville, Florida, Memphis, Tennessee, Charlotte, North Carolina, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and Nashville, Tennessee. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat. There are two areas where we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow. One covering southeastern Louisiana, southeastern Mississippi, much of Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, and much of Georgia. The second 2% tomorrow covers far eastern Vermont, central Massachusetts, most New Hampshire, and southwestern Maine. The 2% tornado risk areas tomorrow include New Orleans, Louisiana, Atlanta, Georgia, Montgomery, Alabama, Mobile, Alabama, and Columbus, Georgia. So, within these areas, there could be an EF0 tornado pop-up, maybe EF1 at max, okay? Going to tomorrow's wind threat, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. That encompasses north central Tennessee, central and eastern Kentucky, far south central Ohio, most of West Virginia, almost all of Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, all of Delaware, far northeastern and southeastern Pennsylvania, including my area, all of New Jersey, eastern and southeastern New York State, including New York City and Long Island, all of Connecticut, all of Rhode Island, all of Massachusetts, all of Vermont, all of New Hampshire, and southwestern Maine. The 15% wind risk area tomorrow includes New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Boston, Massachusetts, and Washington, D.C. There are two areas where we have 5% wind risk areas for tomorrow. One covering north central Texas, most of Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, southern Missouri, northern half of Arkansas, southeastern Louisiana, most of Mississippi, all of Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, northern Florida, I think I mentioned all of Alabama too, all of Georgia, all of South Carolina, all of North Carolina, far southern Virginia, most of Tennessee, south central Illinois, parts of Kentucky, far southern Indiana, southern Ohio, northern West Virginia, far northwestern Maryland, much of Pennsylvania, and central New York. The second 5% wind risk tomorrow covers parts of Maine. The 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include Jacksonville, Florida, Memphis, Tennessee, Charlotte, North Carolina, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and Nashville, Tennessee. So, there could be some wind gusts that are 60 to maybe even as high as 70 miles per hour, alright, in these areas tomorrow, alright, in the risk areas. And now for the hail threat, there's only one hail risk area tomorrow. Really? There's a 5% hail risk area tomorrow covering north central Texas, much of Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, southwestern Missouri, and northwestern Arkansas. The 5% hail risk area tomorrow includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Springfield, Missouri, Abilene, Texas, and Norman, Oklahoma. So within this area, there could be hail of 1 inch to maybe 1.5 inches in diameter tomorrow. Alright? So, in summary, isolated to scattered severe thunderstorms will be possible from Kentucky to the mid-Atlantic and across parts of the Northeast. Damaging wind gusts will be the main hazard with this activity. So, that's your day 2 severe weather outlook. Stay safe. Stay safe and infect the race tomorrow. Stay safe and infect the race tomorrow. Whether you're in the slight or marginal, since you never know what slight and marginals can pull off sometimes. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I will go over all of this again in tomorrow's Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook video. Take care.